You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the city in Orange County, California, but this is also just simply the name of a saint in Spanish. It obviously comes from Spanish. The Spanish pronunciation is a Santa Ana. Ana. Santa Ana. Now, in English, if you're looking at how to say the name of the city in California, the British English is Santa Ana. American English pronunciation, Santa Ana. Santa Ana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.